AirPods on and listen to music because, you know, and then I normally listen to music in here, but who wants to get de-YouTube because some copyright BS. So anyway, that's not what this video is about. What's this video about? I'm just bored. And I thought I'd make a video and take something small apart because that's what I like to do. Take shit apart and break it. And I'll probably tonight I'll make a bench cleaning video because there's something I want to finish on the bench. And it's nice enough where I probably could do a little welding this week. So I want to finish a project and get it out of here and give it to the person who I promised it before the pandemic, and the pandemic wrecked all their plans and they couldn't do stuff. So it's an earring rack. I got the four sides of it all made, and that's where it's sat till then. Got a few engineering problems that I'm gonna have to work out on it, but I think I probably could. Basically, it's a square box, and I have to figure out put a shaft in the middle so it spins, or I could just make it steady, but it would be nicer if it spun. So, or I could put on a wooden thing and then put a little spinny thing on the bottom. I'll figure it out. But anyway, this is what I'm going to show you. I'll put this down here, put this over here. What I got are a bunch of these things, and I'm not even sure if these work, believe it or not. I should, before I pop the bulb off, go get a light thing and see if it works. Hold on a second, let me stop this. So anyway, folks, back with the bulblicious thing. I do this on their video. I tie a piece of clothesline cord, about yay long, and I use a tighter thing. Reason why I use clothesline cord, it bites better, and it's super cheap. It's cotton, and it won't cause climate change. Frick, don't get me started. Climate change. Okay, yeah, let's plug this in. That light works. Let me just open this up here. Where's the little thing? Pop this open. Take this bulb out. I don't know if I was welding with this bulb or what. Let's test this one out, see if it works. I don't want to wreck a perfect good bulb, so we'll just test it out here. Okay, that one does work. We don't want to break that one. And what about this one? Does this one work? Watch. I'm going to get them all here, and they're all going to work. I don't have to sacrifice them. Yeah, that one works. Guess I'll bring those back home. My daughter's light bulb broke, and not broke, it died, because it's electronic, and all the electronics these days die, because they're made. This is the dead one. That's the good one, so we'll unplug this. We'll put this over there for now. Go like this here. Come on. I should just put this ugly sucker back in here first. But yeah, basically that back in there. I have another one up there. Let's see what I do is I take the cords and I take this one and I wrap it around like so. One there. And maybe one this way. Like so. It's always attached to it. And what you do is you go like this. See how it goes like that? It doesn't really spring back too much. And you just tie it in a bow knot. And ta-da! That's done. Get that out of the way. So now it's this bulb. What am I going to do with this bulb? I'm going to take it apart. Let's see, turn this light on. Oh, turn it off. Yeah. Apparently you can take these apart somehow. How do you get it open? No idea. Maybe I need a screwdriver. Oh. Maybe I need vice grips. Huh? A hammer? Let's see. Safety glasses. Oh, weird. So much for recyclable. There we go. Yeah, it looks like the... Well, that's what's in the light bulb. Video's over. Just kidding. I'm not fixing this thing. Apparently you can. Don't ask me how, but I always wonder what the hell's in these things. So you mean to tell me we're paying for light because of this? Weird. You know what they should do with these things? See, that's the little light thingy. This is the cover. And that's what's in your light bulb. Let me disconnect this from the bulb here. Let's see. Let me back up here so I can get in there. I have a little drawer down here in case you're new to my channel that I put all my little goodies in. And here, we'll just use this. There we go. Ta-da! So anyway, I honestly think instead of selling us new bulbs, see, because I got this thing in there, which apparently just sits in here, like so, and that's glued on there. So why not make this? I mean, why don't somebody make a light bulb that this plastic bubble here? Make it so the plastic bubble screws on, and make this just plug in here, and this screw into the ceiling. Instead, I'm pretty sure nobody's recycling this crap. They got a little blob of glue in there. There's what? I'm guessing that's a voltage regulator. There's some capacitors. And there's two wires that are probably not even copper. You got one, see, 3 wires in there. That's it. And you got a little metal thing covered in a piece of plastic. Like, what kind of... You wonder why. Oh, let's blame everything on climate change and cows. It's not cows that are a problem. It's just shit like this they make. Like, they could make this clip in there, like so. They could make this with a little plug-in thing, and I could just go to the store and buy one of these suckers. And this will be out of landfill for a little while until I take it apart and break it. But there isn't a damn thing, like, I don't know. I think it's stupid. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I should get out, if I, the next bulb I burn, I'm gonna, you know, it looks like this, what do you call it, chip is burnt, because there's all like brown, I don't know if you can see it on there. This little chip right here, it's got like brown turd all over it. And how would one resolder all this? I don't know. I don't understand how the guy in that video actually, what do you call it, fix this thing. Because one, it's glued on like crazy. And I don't know, it's glued on. I don't see any way of taking this off. It's not very exciting. So I apologize for the boring video. And I'll just end it here. That's pretty much it, really. Not much else to it. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends I have a crazy channel. Thanks for watching.